Storm Bella washed the village without any detergent. This was because the white foam created by various tiny plant debris and waste was formed. The explanation for this phenomenon is that the desert has been electrified due to an accumulation of clouds. WOW TV advises you to immediately find a lower place and crouch down with both feet together rather than walk or run. This rock still stands firm against the erosive winds. Opposing elements can exist. The eternal flame within this waterfall is clear evidence that love is not bound by any opposition.
Hujan di mobil ini doang ini, lihat nih.
Special car wash service exclusively for one lucky car only. The special thing here isn't what caused the trees to catch fire, but rather their fierce vitality.